Hello?
Hi, is this James?
Yeah, who's this?
This is Edward Pike. I'm with the Federal Aviation Administration and Safety. Is now a good time for you?
I'm sorry, who's this?
Edward Pike. I'm with FAA and Safety.
Is everything all right?
Sir, our flight records indicate that your spouse, Allison Davis, was a passenger on commercial flight 439 departing from Houston. Is that correct?
Yeah, is everything okay?
Unfortunately, sir, there was an incident on board flight 439.
An incident?
There was an opening in the plane's fuselage, which caused the door plug to pop off at 36,000 feet in the air.
What does that mean? What are you trying to say right now?
Sir, I understand this may be difficult news to hear. Allison's seat was 33A, which was directly next to the door plug. And unfortunately, sir, she was ejected.
You said it ejected? She was ejected?
Yeah.
Are you serious? My daughter was with her.
I don't have anything on a daughter.
She was with her. She was sitting next to her.
Let me see. Sir, this incident is still under investigation. Once we have all the information, one of our representatives will reach out with further instructions.
Wait, so what do you want me to do? What am I supposed
Sir,
to do right now?
Sir, please remain calm, and we'll call you right back.
Wait, don't hang up
Sir,
on me. Don't hang up on me. Hello?
Hi, is this James?
Yeah, this is him.
This is Edward Pike with the FAA. We spoke earlier.
Yeah. No, I know who you are. Yeah.
So, some new information has come to light.
Oh, what is it?
There was a big miscommunication on our part. It was not Flight 439, it was actually Flight 429.
Okay, so what does that mean? What are you trying to tell me
So
right
it turns
now?
out there was a different Allison Davis in seat 33A. What are the odds of that, right?
So you're telling me that my wife and my daughter are alive right now? That's what you're trying to tell me.
We deeply apologize for any inconvenience we may have caused.
I mean, yeah.
Sir, you'll have to excuse me. I have several hundred phone calls I need to make at this time.
Oh, of course. Thank you.
Have a lovely night.
Oh. Hmm.